Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use someone's referral code on Temu. Now, there are two main methods that you can actually do in order to get the referral code or the coupon code. Now, let's start by method one. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Temu on your phone. Then you need to sign in. And once you sign in, you should now click on this option right here on the bottom, the option U in the middle. Then here you will find all these options. You just have to click on coupons and offers. And here you can simply enter the coupon code just right here. Enter the code, then click on apply in the right side right here. And by this method, you will get the coupon code and it will be added to your own coupons. And once you purchase anything, you will be able to easily apply it. Now let's jump to method two. Now the first thing that you should do is to simply open Temu account on your phone and try to choose any product that you want to purchase and add it to your cart. Once you add it to your cart, you'll have to click on the shopping cart icon. Then you should now click on the product that you want to check it out. Then click on checkout down below right here. And now when you scroll down in this page, the checkout page, you will find here this option, apply coupon code. Click on it. Then here it will show you all the coupons that you will actually have, but here in my case it's empty. And you can also click on this box right here and enter the coupon code yourself. Then click on apply. And after that, all the discounts will be applied in this section right here in the item discount section. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.